Mike Lauer. I am General Manager of Asia Pacific for DP Technology Corp. I'm handling all of the countries in Asia except for Japan. Our main product is Esprit CAD/CAM software.
So thank you for talking with us, and I would like to ask some questions. And first question will be, what are the technologies you are showcasing here at the booth?
Okay, we're happy in India to introduce the latest version of our software. It's Esprit 2019. What we're emphasizing is new support for hundreds of mill-turn machines. These are the combination they do, they call done-in-one. They do both milling and turning. So we have over 200 new post-processors to support these machines, along with the digital twin simulation. The second thing we have is to emphasize for the aerospace market in India, many new 5-axis simultaneous cutting strategies for milling and mill-turn.
That's great, that's great. Sir, what are your expectations from IMTEX 2019?
For us, IMTEX is really the premier show in India. There's people from all over India coming to the show, so our expectations are to really build up our brand name, to show people that now with offices in 3 locations in Pune, in Bangalore, and in Chennai, that we can support them anywhere in India to a very high degree.
That's great. And according to you, what are your views and opinions about the market here in India for 2019?
We are seeing what we saw in China about 5 years ago with an explosion in the Indian market, and I think the aerospace market is leading the boom in our market segment, which is supporting high-end machine tools, 5-axis milling, mill-turn type applications. So we're really seeing a boom in the aerospace, the Make in India program, and also the offset programming for the making aerospace components in India for Boeing, Airbus, and also military applications.
So you have excellent technologies in your basket. What will be your strategies in terms of marketing and promotion and branding?
I think for India, our biggest strategy is good service. Okay, many in our industry kind of sail and run away from the customer. Our strategy is we hire very high-level engineers. In all of our locations, we have IIT graduates, master's degree, and they can support from very complex applications to also developing special automation cycles for their customers. So our first strategy is service. Okay, our second strategy is convincing customers that they really should buy software based on not the machines they have right now, but on the machines they're going to have 5 years from now. So maybe they don't have a mill-turn machine right now, but they will in 5 years.
Sure.
So that's what we try to convince them, is think about the future.
Yeah, sir, any message would you like to give to your customers and potential buyers?
I would like to say we're going to be there for you. We're going to service you as you buy more machines. We're going to continue to have perfect simulation, perfect post-processors for your machines. So please tell all your friends to buy Esprit too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
for talking with CNC.
Thank you very much.